Guys, Jack here once again another video. Today what we're going to be doing is playing foot pack opener. And yeah, let's do this. Open, yes. I mean, good to have it. Not bad. Okay, right. I have got some good players in the past. I'm going to show you them quickly before I open some packs. Okay, right, let's open this quick. Right, let's go cards. You should really get this game. I'll put it in the link in the description below. You can go to the App Store. And these are the players I've actually got. I've got the best goalkeeper in the game. Alright, yeah, I've got Team of the Year, Modric. I'm hoping for the Team of the Year of this guy. And this guy. And this guy. And this guy. I've got quite a few legends. I'll show you them now. Right, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait there. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. I don't think there's any more. Nope. Let's go to type. Special, right. Jesus Christ, that's a lot. Right, let's go to the top. Right. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think that's it. Yeah, 12. Oh, and I've got 84 Sterling. He's got 95 pace. Oh my god. Quite good players. Oh, and I've got this guy. I wonder where my Felipe Luis is. It's probably up here. I've got Fernando Torres. Where is Felipe Luis? He should be here somewhere. I've got Dani Alves. Felipe Luis, where are you? I've got David Luiz. Oh, please, come on, give me strength. No, he's not there. Okay, right. Let's just get to pack opening. Okay, it's rare. My pack luck is so bad. I get Hoof with 44 pace. You mad? Alright, come on, give me some. And it's a non-rare. Thank you. Thank you, game. Right, let's go to the store. I can get a 25k pack. Okay, please give me someone. Please give me someone. It's rare. And who do we... Verratti. Wasn't expecting that from a 25k pack. Well, that was a waste. Oh, and then we get a non-rare right after. Thanks. Go away, Fernando. No one wants you. And we get another non-rare. Some of these people, Faj R. That's how I'm pronouncing it. I don't care. If you guys know how to pronounce it, put it in the link in the description below. I just got Turin. I think it's Turin. It's probably Terrain or something. I don't care. Quick selling him. Let me get another number. Okay. If I'm ever gonna get a good player, make it be Ronaldo or something. I've already got Messi. I just want the Team of the Year Ronaldo, please. Oh no! Give me another rare. Give me a rare. A rare or like a Team of the Year or a special card. Oh, Jesus Christ, he's from Canada. You Canadian twat. Oh, sorry if someone's Canadian. I'm sorry. I just got a bit of rage inside myself. Yeah, let's move on. Alright. In the past few minutes, I've got no one. I could call that guy a German. It's Germain. Or I don't even know. Yes, we got a rare. Yeah, it's got a big bad one, man. I thought that was going to be thingy. Benzema. If people call him Benzema, okay, but I'll call him Benzema. 69 pace. That's very good, Mott. If I get some, can I get someone with over 78 pace? Thank you. Yes. We finally got someone who hasn't got like 68 pace or something. Give me a red. We got 2 reds in a row. Yay! But it's not even a good one though. Well, he's got 82 pace. I guess that's all right. Oh, in the same video, I'm gonna be doing a. Oh look, we got the other. I'm gonna be doing a squad builder in a minute after a few more packs. So let's open about 2 more and then doing a bit of squad building. I'm gonna make a La Liga one because I want a 190 or 191. I've had a 191 before. I can't speak. My last one. Give me go. Oh, we got the hair. Yes, I've already got him, but I'm gonna do one special pack. One actual special pack. Right. This is right. I promise you, this is my last pack. Please, and there's Felipe Luis. I'm not gonna have him. Literally, I've got all the players that are there in that pack. I don't need them. Okay, right, let's go to Squad Builder. This game is actually really good. I promise I'll leave a link in the description for you. Right, 3, 4, 2, 1. Let's go for the striker first. We're going for the Liga. The Liga. Santander. Alright. It's got to be Suarez. It's got to be Suarez. I don't even care. Actually, let's have MSN. Let's have MSN. Right, that's a right. Why do they do that? It's a right wing, man. Dumb. Alright, we're going for Messi, obviously. And then we're going for Neymar. Neymar! I'm going to stop now. I can't do it. Neymar. That's MSN for you. Alright, let's do the right mid. Who should I go for? Let's go for him. There's a non-rare and he's 82 rated. I don't get it. I really... Ooh, snap. Normal Modric, 90 Modric, or the 96 Modric. Ah, you know it. Alright, next we're going for Turan or Andrew Gomez. Turan? Andrew Gomez. Andrew Gomez. Right, please, 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 and there's no Barcelona player. Yes, it's got to be him. Alright, we've got... Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, we got Piqué. Then we got to go with... Toronto. And we got to go with... Pepe. It's 97. Right, well, let's make it... Navas. Yeah, it's 100 chemistry and it's 189. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, let's do this again. Right, bin him. Let's make a BPL team. I have Inform Lloris. He'll... Nah. My best goalkeeper I've got is Neuer. So, let's start with goalkeeper. And he has to be... BPL, and I think it's got to be De Gea. No, I think I've got to go with... I know what you're thinking. I think I'm going to go with him. Right, I mean, I can't speak today, man. I'm dumb. Alright. You know one thing, you think I'm going to go with Terry. I'm actually not. I'm going to go with Smalling. Because he's actually quite better than Terry. And then we're going to go with... I think it's got to be... He's... Yeah, small. And then we got to go with... Oddfield, so he's connecting with him. Got 37 chemistry. Alright so far. I think it's got to be William. Yeah, William's our best choice. Then we got to go with Fabregas. Please be something good. Alright, we have a... Alright, I'm stuck. Let's go with Lallana. Yeah, he's connecting with Smalling. The left mid, it's got to be Martial. 77. 79. Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus Christ, please no, give me strength. Just give me someone. And then we got Nolito. Thanks. You're very precious. Aguero. Oh, it's 99. Come on. Right wing. Give us just a 186 or something, please. Yes. Oh, 186, yes. Not. I'm going to make the best team possible, and this is my last one. Alright. Open packs, and then go to this again. No, wait, no, go back. Oh, I'm going to need pineapple. Pineapple. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright, right, let's go with squad. Go to squad, but and then, yes, I know. Alright, let's just go with 3. No, where's the 3-4-3. Alright, let's go. Bin him. All this is going now. Lallana, see you later. Smalling, see you later. David Luiz, see you later. God, see you later. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright. Best team possible. Let go. Okay, right. 90 Ibrahimovic. Right wing, he has to be him. Left wing has to be him. I'm just getting with the highest rated. Right. I'm just going with the highest rated. Yes. I know it isn't full. Don't even blame me for that. Company. David Luiz. And then we got Koscielny. Jesus! There's 85. Oh, my days. And then De Gea. Oh, no. No. It's so bad. 187. Let's do another one. Alright. Right, squad builder. And then we got to get rid of it all again. Right, I promise you this is the last one. This is a legal one now. Alright, let's go up here. Thank you. Alright. Wait there, let me just check something. Oh, yeah, that's cool. Alright, YouTube was loading videos. Alright. Liga. Right, it's got to be him. Got to be him. Don't even care, I'm picking the best players possible. Him. 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 190! Yes! I got 190! It actually worked! Oh, yes! Come on! Oh, yes! It actually worked! 190. 190. Let me just, I actually got a 191 once. Okay, guys, that is, okay, let's go back. Okay, guys, that is the end of the video there. So, yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and I will see you